Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many people face when working with technology. The problem we're diving into today is the challenge of finding a solution when faced with a complex issue that seems impossible to resolve. Whether it's a tricky error message, a malfunctioning device, or a technical hiccup, we've all been there at some point. But fear not, because we're here to explore a solution that can help you navigate through these tough tech moments with ease. Now, let's talk about the solution that can come to the rescue when you're stuck in a tech-related predicament. The key here is to take a step back, breathe, and approach the problem with a clear and focused mind. One effective solution is to break down the issue into smaller, more manageable parts. By identifying the root cause of the problem, you can start troubleshooting it systematically, piece by piece. This method not only helps in understanding the issue better, but also in devising a targeted solution to address it. Another aspect of the solution worth mentioning is the importance of seeking help and collaborating with others. Don't hesitate to reach out to online communities, forums, or tech-savvy friends who might have encountered a similar problem before. Sometimes, a fresh perspective or a helpful tip from someone else can be the key to unlocking the solution to your tech troubles. In summary, when faced with a daunting tech problem, remember to stay calm, break down the issue, and seek help from others. By approaching the problem strategically and leveraging the power of community support, you can overcome any tech challenge that comes your way. Thanks for tuning in today. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below with your tech problem-solving stories. Remember, a little humor can always go a long way in tech troubleshooting.